Guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are working on the DC5, so continuing with the turbo DC5 build. What has got to be done today? So potentially I'd like to get the battery relocated into the boot. The AC, we took it to a garage and had that drained out, because obviously you shouldn't be leaking your gases into the street, into the atmosphere and that, so took it to a garage, got that done. And then we're going to remove the radiator, so literally we have got nothing in the way, so everything, hopefully we should be putting stuff back on rather than taking off now. So yeah, without further ado, we're taking off then. So I've only got the AC belt to remove as well. So yeah, what we're trying to do, the brackets for the AC.
No, that's line.
Oh yeah. Oh, so that one there, that's out, as you can see. And then literally like it follows it all the way around. So what do you reckon? Should we remove the AC first and then do potentially the battery? So we can at least stick one thing and then go from there, innit? Right, so there's a bracket there. Obviously remove the AC line from there. Oh, it ain't gonna come up, is it? Might have to move the crash bar, you know. I think the crash bar might have to come out of the way.
No, crash bar ain't gonna come out. Are you blind?
Yeah, you got this.
Yeah, we just bend it round. It's the headlights. You're not in order.
Right then, so both headlights removed, literally 2 10mm, and then there's like 3 or 4 headlight connectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Disconnect them, easy, and then AC rad should pop out just like so. Sweet. So radiator is moving. We think this is like a 10mm bolt here. 10mm bolt hiding just under where my finger is, and there's a few connectors, so there's an earth wire literally
that
right down there.
This reservoir.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah. And then we've got a connector down there, as you can see, connector there, and then there is also another connector down there, because we was trying to pull the radiator up, but there is also quite a few connectors, and these are like really tight. So yeah, hopefully undo this, and then hopefully get these two 10mm out. Pull the expansion tank, radiator's coming up, easy as that. Right, so literally about 20 minutes later, AC connectors are all here, so 1, 2, so this one will come undone, and this one flows all the way through here, up here, back down to here, and then we'll probably get like a, that looks like a 22, 24 or something like that, undo that, and literally just chase it round. Look, it follows all around here, back around here, down there. Then it connects to a little box down here, so there's probably a fair bit of weight still we're removing on this. So yeah, we're gonna just undo these two now, disconnect it from there, and then we've got to have a look at what's going to happen here, because we do have this micro V, so apparently this is to remove the AC belt. So yeah, fingers crossed, all goes to plan.
I ain't got a fucking clue what we just undone.
Looks like a cap.
Shouldn't we be taking these ones off? Fucking a monster.
Right, so literally, so there's a bolt, 10mm bolt in the middle, and there's 2 like 10mm on a thread, so you can see it right there. Literally undo those 2, and literally I undone a bracket, this little bugger hiding under there, and then literally, obviously it's disconnected and that now, so I'll just grab that bit, give it a pull. The only thing we're going to struggle with now is potentially getting this out of the way, so yeah, Aaron's on a bendy one, so let's go. Right then, so now this is the scary part. So the pulley is literally the tensioner is this one there, so we've just undone it on the top, so it looks like it runs down there. That one goes round the alternator, and then they both look like they meet up on this one here, and then as it comes down, I'm guessing it goes round this crank one, and then obviously alternator's there, so obviously we're going to get rid of that one, so it shouldn't do that. Right, so without further ado, we've been on the old Google, we found a forum that showed us about removing the AC belt and that properly, so I believe the reg was Wacker on the forum, so we've had a little look, removed the belt, as you can see. We're going to remove the AC condenser like belt.
The pump, you sausage.
Oh, is it the pump? 12mm, so 1, 2, and then there's 2 more underneath. Got my Milwaukee, and I've lost my fingers. Jesus. That's absolutely... Is it the wrong way around? You tightened it? Looks like I still could do with it. Get these out. Big boy, don't need them anymore. Oh, man. Oh, big rocky engine. So route was, we've gone off the top, dropped it down, well, it's come straight off, and then it's like backing up on itself to go around that, and then they both like kind of meet there, so face down they both meet, they literally go straight down, and then we've got to just get it back onto that. So get your mate or whatever to go on that one with a, what is it, 13 mil? 14. Pull that down, and then hopefully get the belt on the crank side. Right, so we've come to a little crossroads here. Me being an absolute shaft, I've ordered the wrong belt. Apparently the EP3 and the DC5 ones are different, so that could be why it's not fitting properly. With regards to, I've got to see where I can remove my alarm. At the minute it's literally sitting there, and obviously with the manifold it can't go there anymore, so we're going to have to relocate this, whether I have to cut the wiring and just extend it. I could probably just extend it over there, to be honest with you. But now I think the last thing I needed to do today potentially was just reallocate the battery properly. So I'm going to take this red thing off, take this bit of connection off, and we're going to cut the cable, and then we're going to see where we can relocate it. So I've been told, rather than where I put it before, which was there, right down there is a better spot, so it's out of the way, out of all the heat, because there is going to be a lot going on in this section here. Right then, so we have our new battery cable. We just practiced off camera. Look at that, man. Honestly, I would probably say mine's better than that, but yeah, so we've got to go off this one here onto there. So we've just created this one ourselves. This is our earth cable, and then we've got the trusty drill, and we're going to clean up the area where we're earthing, because we need clean body. So yeah, let's get that all cleaned up there. As you can see, beautiful little bit of earth strappery there. So yeah, guys, gearbox to leg. I'm going to clean all this area up, you know, because it looks a bit crusty. So yeah, when everything goes back together, at least give everything a good clean. This is what we've done. We've peeled back the connectors, and we've put a join on this. So the original connector, we've put this little join on here. So we've fed the cable through here, crimped it down with a lovely tool, as you can see, that one there. So that's how it used to be, that's how it is now. And then we're going to go from that power supply, and we're going to run it down in that grommet down there, and then we're going to feed it to the boot. So we've actually made progress on the DC5 today. I know it might not looking like this, but radiator AC has been completely removed. We've sorted out the connector for the battery. Just got to run the lines, grab a couple more connectors, couple more fuses, and then literally, I know it might not look it, but we should be starting to put stuff back together in the near future. So fingers crossed we can get this baby up and running. So we're continuing. I really want to get this line through here. I cannot get it through for love nor money. I tried to get it through there in the last video, but on this one, apparently this is a better route to obviously for heat management and stuff. So I can't get this in at all. So what I've done is I've put the connector on this side, and I've connected them both up together, and I'm hopefully going to pull from inside there in the cabin and hopefully put it through. So fingers crossed, let's see how we get on. Right, so fingers crossed. Oh, this grommet's fucking massive. Man, look at it. It's literally pulled the grommet out. Oh no. I think it has really. Shit. So the cable has been ran. You can see the red cable under there. It's been ran under there, like so, under there. And I've literally popped out here. I might take the side trim off and run it straight into the back. Right, so easy as that. So the power line has been ran to the boot, and I've just like slightly put it in. So we've got our earth down there, goes onto that. This hasn't been put like screwed into place yet. I'm just trying to get the lines. I'm going to cut this probably, I don't know, probably about there. We're going to run a fuse here, and then I only want a short piece of line just to here. And you know what, I might even put my trim bit back in, and then I'll just hide this cable and then cut a little slot for it to groove up and connect onto. So yeah, without further ado guys, what are we saying? Right guys, and that is it for today's video. We've accomplished a fair bit. We've got the AC off, the battery cable has been like routed, and then pretty much all we got to do is just put a connector on one end. And then, so before I put a connector or crimp anything up, I'm going to get some like coating. I don't want to make this look shit. I've saw numerous like battery locations and it just looks the crappy garden conduiting. I just want to make it look nice, tight, clean, OEM. If I can make it better, happy days, but I just don't want to make it look naff, and that's what I said. I want to keep my head on this build and actually make sure I do things properly, and that's why today I could have quite easily ran to Alfred's and probably grabbed some like bodge connectors and tried to bodge it just to get it to work, but I thought, right, we've done enough today. This could be another long video. I don't know how long this video is going to have been, but the belt for the AC, I literally went on Integra and I just typed in like K20 belt. I didn't even really read it. I just saw AC delete EP3. Apparently the difference is the EP3 doesn't have power steering, whereas the DC5 does, so the belt is a bit longer on the DC5. So yeah, I need to contact Integra, send that other one back and buy the other one that I need. So yeah, I'm gonna go on Amazon, buy some like heat wrap, all that kind of stuff, just so we can get the connectors nice on the battery location. And yeah, so before you go anywhere, like, share, subscribe. It massively means the world to me. Honestly, the channel's doing so well at the minute with content flowing weekly. It seems to be doing good my end, so if you like put the work in, and make sure you subscribe, like it, comment, it massively helps. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one guys. Peace, see you in a bit.